guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is the day 3 of growing your YouTube channel from scratch. Okay, so in this video we are going to cover how to upload a video. Okay, so how to, or the correct way to upload a video to get more audience. Okay, yeah, so if today is your first time seeing this kind of video, kindly subscribe, like this video, watch to the end, and also let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, so if maybe you miss some of the previous videos, kindly go back to the playlist and then make sure you play it and understand each and every video. Okay, so what we need to do now is to continue from where we ended. Okay, so assuming you've created a video, right, and you want to post it, okay, there are things you should do. You don't just post it just like that. No, you have to go through step by step in order to get more audience or views, right? Yes, so what you need to do is to prepare your video first. Secondly, you have to get your description, then your title. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to make sure I break everything down so that you understand it well, right? So let's say I've already prepared my video, right? So I'll come to this particular tab which says create, right? Then I'll tap on create. So when you tap on create, you're going to see upload video, okay, and go live, and then also create post. With upload video, it means you've already recorded your video, okay, but with the go live, it means you're going to start a live stream. Okay, so meaning the live stream simply means you are not going to be able to add any editing or stuff. Like, it's going to be a real-time video, all right? And the post is basically just writing something and posting, or posting an image where your subscribers or audience are going to comment. Yeah, it's not like a video. Okay, so what you need to do is to go to upload video, since it's a video you are going to upload. Okay, so this marks our first YouTube video in this particular channel. Okay, so what you need to do next is tap on select files. So okay, so right now I'm going to choose the video I want to upload. Okay, so here is my video. Yeah, so it's loading. You wait for it to load. All right, so the title already says how to grow your social media. Okay, but this you can still go in with this same name, right? But in order to get a professional or like standard title, I'll just copy it, go to my YouTube ChatGPT, and give it this prompt. So the prompt is, I just made a video on how to grow social media. All right, so I need a professional. All right, okay, so professional title for it. Okay, so it's going to give you a couple of titles you can use. Okay, so let's go in for the first one, how to grow social media fast in 2025. Okay, but for the sake of you see, when you use 2025, when let's say we enter next year, when anyone says this is your title, it means it's going to affect only 2025. Okay, so most people will not be interested in it. Okay, so let's just go in for how to grow your social media fast. Okay, I think that's a good one, so I'll just replace it with this one. So I'll go in paste. Okay, so I've replaced it. So let's go in for the description. So let's say I need a description to, okay, so it's going to give you the description. You just read, and then if you have any changes, you just apply the changes to it. Okay, so let's say I'm going for this description, right? Then I'll come back to my description, then I'll paste it. Okay, yes, I'm going to paste it over here. So now let's go to these settings. Okay, so over here it says yes, it's made for kids. Okay, and no, it's not made for kids. So I'm going to select no, it's not made for kids. Okay, then now let's just close this tab. Okay, then you go to next. All right, yes. So okay, just want to you still move to next. Okay, so I'm looking for where the thumbnail will be. Okay, so you come to show more. Okay, so when you come down, you have to read and then answer these few questions. So this one is basically our promotion and stuff. So in case you've been paid to make this particular video, just take this box over here so that YouTube will know there's a paid or sponsor video. Okay, yes, and then it says authored content. So this basically means in case you use AI, okay, use AI, and in the course of making the video you make someone or a celebrity actually speak or do the video, in other terms impersonating that particular person, you are going to select yes, so that it won't be a copyright on your video, because if YouTube notice any copyrights, your video will be taken down. So in this case I didn't use any AI, yeah, so I'll go for no. All right, yes. So with the language, it's English I used in the video. Okay, so I just look for English over here. Okay, most of these are not really important. Okay, so the location, for now just ignore the location. Okay, so yes, you want to add comments so that our subscribers can comment. All right, yes. Okay, so let's go to next. Okay, next. Okay, so you are going to select either private, unlisted, or public. So public means once everything is checked, the video should go live. Okay, so I'll just tap on publish. In case you don't see where to input your thumbnail, you need not to worry. Okay, so right now our video has been posted successfully. This is our link. Okay, so let's see, we copy the link, open a new tab, and then paste the link. It's going to lead us to this video. Hello guys, welcome. Okay, yes, so let's go back and add a thumbnail. Okay, so you come to contents. I think I have to refresh it. Okay, so the video is now showing, so you come to contents. Yeah, so since the video I uploaded was less than 3 minutes, it was considered as a short. Okay, yeah, so on YouTube any video above 3 minutes is considered as a standard video, but if it's less than 3 minutes it means it's a short video. Okay, so let's do change our thumbnail. Okay, so you come to edit. All right, so let's look for thumbnail. Okay, so I think this feature right now says it's a short. I'm supposed to change it on my mobile phones because it has been stated here. Okay, so all I need to do is to change it on my phone. Okay, yes, so that's it for today's video. So far what we've learned is how to create a channel, how to get a good name, how to get a good niche, how to post a video or the right way to post a video in order to get views, and also how to get a good description. Thank you for watching this video. In my next video I'll show you how to design a good thumbnail just like the one on this video. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next video.